Hi everybody, my name's Mark. Welcome to Crossrail. We are building the Elizabeth line, a railway that will transform the lives of Londoners and everybody who passes through this fantastic city. It'll add 10% to the rail capacity of London, and over 200 million trips every single year will be made in it when we open. We're entering the final phases now, and by far the most important thing to us is that we finish this project safely with target zero, and that means nobody gets hurt. And that's the most important thing to me, and I'm sure everybody you will meet on this fantastic railway.
My name's Carol Bardell-Wise and I'm the Health and Safety Director for Crossrail. I'd like to introduce you to some of the amazing people that work on the Crossrail programme, who will introduce why health and safety is so important to us. Your safety and the safety of everyone that works on the programme is of the utmost importance. Please take care of one another and remember the golden rules. Respect the basics. Assess the risks. Check the site. Follow work area rules. Support each other. So let's begin. Where are we in the Crossrail programme?
We're at a critical stage of the programme and therefore we're experiencing intensification. The final 1% is the most challenging, and that's where everybody needs to remain focused and energised, especially around health and safety. If there's any suspicion that something isn't right, especially around safety, we need to stop, report it and check it together as a team.
Here at Tottenham Court Road, we face the challenge of fragmented teams working across all areas of Western Ticket Hall, platforms and Goslet Yard box sites. We need to empower people to stop, pause and consider risks around what has changed. Wherever we are, whatever we are doing, it is important to remember the golden rules.
We are currently operating in multiple environments as we move from construction and final fit out to testing and commissioning and trial operations and running. It is important that we recognise how this affects our health and safety. Safety at interface points is crucial. During dynamic testing, platform screen doors will open and close. Barriers and exclusion zones will be in place for your safety. Please respect this and report anything that doesn't look right.
Here at Crossrail, we believe in operating as one team, owning the whole and looking out for ourselves and each other.
We give site briefings each morning to identify particularly the state of the labour force that comes in, are they alert, are they physically fit, and it makes them aware of the risks associated with the area they're going to work in. If somebody is struggling on site, please have a word with your mate, and hopefully your mate will be keeping his eye on you anyway, but don't be too shy, don't be too nervous. You know, come to us and we'll talk about it and help you through it.
Here at Crossrail, we aim to operate as one team. Working closely as one team provides a safe working environment. Knowing who to speak to is crucial. It means that we can work safely in designated areas without putting others at risk.
We're at a crucial point in our programme, with challenging timeframes and increasing pressure to deliver. It is important that we consider the effects this has on ourselves and of others. Taking the time to recognise the signs of mental health issues, fatigue and stress is crucial to ensuring that we achieve target zero and go home unharmed every day.
We are nearing the end of the programme, therefore health and safety and our priorities are changing.
It is important as we near completion that we take pride in our works and protect our assets. We've worked very hard over the years and want to hand over the best in the Elizabeth line. We have a good culture and encourage people to speak up if anything is damaged so we can fix it. Preventing reworks means that we are safer and means that we don't have to do the work twice.
We have successfully handed over the safe facility to the operations team. Together, we are working on the testing and commission of the new railway, again demonstrating our commitment to working as one team. Target Zero has been our strategy and ethos throughout, and we are committed to this all the way through to completion.
Behind me is the main operating floor of Romford Control Centre. Here at the moment, the room is full of testers and they are going through various tests on the systems to ensure that the railway, when it's handed over, will be safe and operable and maintainable and reliable. And then we move into a period of trial running and trial operations where we test the systems and stress test the systems to ensure that we are absolutely ready for passenger service. There are, of course, a lot of safety implications as we carry out testing. Not least, at various and sometimes unpredictable times, there is a 100 km/h full electrical railway running. Please ensure you comply with all access notices and stick to the plan.
Safety is genuinely our top priority on Crossrail. We have target 0. That means we aim to complete this job with nobody getting hurt. That's certainly my aspiration and goal, and I'd encourage you to share that as well. I do hope you enjoy working on Crossrail. We're building the Elizabeth line, and the generations that come will look back on the people who built this and think what a fantastic job they did for London, and you're certainly part of that now.
Welcome to everyone who is joining the programme at this exciting time, and a huge thank you to everyone who's worked for so long and been so dedicated to delivering the Elizabeth line safely.
Safety means everything.
To be able to erect and inspect scaffolding in a safe and professional manner.
I am and we are deliberate in carrying out safety measures.
I can be very confident that I won't put myself and my mates at risk.
Stopping someone working if you see them doing anything unsafe.
Proper PPE.
Look after yourself and also your team members.
We make sure that we adhere to all our methods and risk assessments.
And the different dangers of everyday things we do on this site.
So we know at the end of the shift,
I want to make sure
to go back home unharmed every day.
For our families and children.